Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing obvious blockers so the update can run. First, free up roughly 20% of your drive or 20 GB because Windows needs room to stage files. Once done, confirm time and date are correct and that you're on a stable network, and sign in with an administrator account. Now run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter from Settings. This automates several checks and often fixes permission or service-related issues without deeper changes. Next, you reset the update machinery so corrupted caches or components don't block installation. Open an elevated command prompt, stop userv and bits, then rename the software distribution and catroot 2 folders to force Windows to recreate them. After that, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch good system files, and follow with sfc/scano to repair any local corruption. These steps rebuild the update state and fix file-level issues that the troubleshooter can miss. Finally, restart your machine so all service and component changes take effect, then run Windows Update again and prioritize the latest cumulative patch. Make sure core drivers, network and storage are current via Device Manager because driver conflicts often block updates. If the update still fails, boot into safe mode and try the update or restore to a recent system restore point. That recovers a working configuration while preserving files. If you use system
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.